to another Animal Company video.
It's all gone.
Map is gone. It won't be the same. But anyways,
It's all gone.
what happened is I heard there's new items. Like these weird hammers. This drill. The teleportation gun. And the portable teleporter. Oh my gosh, my headset.
It's all gone.
Yeah, so I might go for the Viking hammer. 3, 1, 3. Alright. VR. Alright, that was weird. Alright. Wait, glitch. I'm gonna go for the hammer.
What?
I'm going for the hammer. It's the hammer. The pinata bat. So, bet. Is it supposed to be this way or is it? Okay, I genuinely can't remember. Oh! Okay, that sends you way further than last time. Okay, so once I'm at the gun, I gotta go to the Hulk hammer.
I just unlocked the player gun.
Or the Hulk thing. Are you gonna record?
Yeah, I
Bad
am
boy.
recording.
At least we know this is the same. But it's not the same. Boy, this is gonna kill me. Glitch, where are you? I see you! With my ghost body.
Wait.
Hello.
Hello. Where's your body? Where's your body?
It's over there. It's all the way over
this
there. You were too late. Alright. So from there, we're gonna go for the baton. So what do we want to do? What do we want to do?
I don't know.
Wait, the baton's there. Wait. Oh, the lance. Oh, wait, no. I'm dead. Yeah, I know. What? I just started. Yeah!
Okay.
Allah! This is just so sad. Oh. Hello! Come down here. Allah. Let me see your cheeks. Come on. Start twerking. No, he's dead! Guys, I'm not weird like that. It's Glitch. He told me to do that. Guys, hashtag kill Glitch in real life. Allah. Okay, so I need 3 more. Oh, there you are. I'm dead. Whoa, Glitch, I think it's time to go make some money. Bro. I just can't believe it's gone. This sucks. Here's this machine. I'm gonna pull out the baton. Then a shredder. Oh, I got my gun still. No, wait, baton. Glitch, come on, we gotta go!
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're a bad boy. I love.
Get you.
You're so lucky! It was worth a try. So down here is the old sewers that nobody goes to anymore.
Okay. Please. Do we need a weapon? What? Fine.
Yeah, you need. I'd say we go to the
He
mines.
gave himself.
Dang.
Probably.
Okay, I'm gonna buy a light. I can't buy the light.
I got a crowbar and a grappler.
You're always doing the grappler thing.
Well, I need it.
No, you don't. What you need to do is get good.
It won't let me grapple on the machine.
Okay.
The cellar. Wait, are we going into the mines?
Because as a child, I yearned for the mines.
Yes.
Oh, this is so new.
Oh wait, this is the place that I know.
Where did it all go? I need money. Ah! I heard something weird. It was very sus.
Oh god! Me too. I also heard you. I don't like
I heard
that.
of. Do you hear people speaking?
No?
I hear people like going, oh, oh. It's
No, but I hear
scary.
people go, I hear like
Yeah, that's what I'm hearing. What I'm scared of is that a thing will appear. Wait.
What?
Oh, I'm getting out of here.
Why what?
The new monster. I forgot about the new cave monster.
Who's that? Jimmy?
That freak. I forgot about that. Oh,
Oh, sorry.
you bad boy. Get over here. Wait, actually, I kind of want to find that freak.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna need a grappler for that. Cause that thing's scary. Please tell me I have grapplers. I might not have grapplers. I have a grappler.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna start another recording.
Oh, the thing is, my recordings are usually 19 minutes long and they're good.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Dude, I'm insanely lagging. I mean, laggy. I'm going frame by frame, bro. Okay, let me... Dude, I can barely move. Okay, I'm good. Okay, question. Do we want to go to the spooky, scary place? Or actually, let's go over here to the fan art. I forgot this isn't Yeeps where you can pull yourself.
Man, I've not seen the red light, green light monster in a very long time.
Since, like, Animal Company Part 1 that you made.
Yeah. Man, I want to see the
Oh
red
my
light, green
gosh,
light
look, they
monster.
added the new couch!
Where?
Right here. I keep forgetting this isn't Yeeps because I keep trying to pull myself.
Okay, it's a couch.
Yeah, cool, right? Okay, do we want to go to the sewers or do we want to go to the spooky, scary place?
Sewers. I want to see what's down there.
Okay, let me turn on my light really quick. You ready?
Crap.
Ah! Oh no! No! I can't grapple. It's metal, so you can't grapple.
Oh god! Oh god! What is that? What is that?
Ah! I'm recording it.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, you gotta climb. Also, glitch going around where stuff just disappears once you drop it. So anyways, welcome to Animal Company! I know! I already started filming before, but I don't care! Cause I was busy! Also, new Animal Company sucks. There's no debate. Alright guys, let's go down into the mine. Or not the mines.
What thing?
Do we want to go to the sewer or do we want to find the new weird Goonie monster?
Who's the new Goonie monster?
The weird skeleton guy that just... Ooh, a teleport.
You super! Hey!
Let's go, guys. Let's go to Brookhaven. Okay, I'm gonna go get the purple crystals.
Is the spider still in here?
Probably. Where the heck is Glitch? Oh, he's gone.
Right here. Wait for me! Hey! 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 I spent $30 on this
I'm a
outfit.
bad boy.
Yeah.
I say we go over here
Guys.
so I can collect all these purple crystals.
You don't need them.
Yes, I do.
Come on, Batman, let's get grooving.
Did you say, come on, Batman, let's get Rizzy?
No, come on, Batman, let's get grooving.
Did anybody else hear that?
Yes. But I don't really care.
I'm trying to get that. Oh, Mimic! Get him!
Don't mimic!
Protect him!
Don't mimic! What is Zion doing? I say we execute Cyan. He was not helping.
But Cyan now has a crowbar. Hey, that's mine. You're a bad boy. Who here's the baddest boy?
Him. Yes, I got one! It's him.
I want it. Listen up!
Oh my god, you know what? I am getting rid of this umbrella.
That's a good boy.
Help! Another mimic!
Ah!
Where?
I missed. He's coming!
What's that? Huh.
He's dead, guys.
Did you guys hear that? I just heard people
It's extra
talking.
scary because we don't know what's here.
Oh!
Mimic!
Don't mimic! Don't mimic!
broken something.
Oh.
Ah! I might have broken my ceiling fan.
You stupid
He's already dead.
little.
I think
I don't care.
something did shatter. But we're okay, because I got money like that.
Money talks. Money talks. Guys, he's the crocus.
What the frick is
man
that?
ever,
Something's
by the way.
growling.
Guys, what's that behind us?
What? You never trick a beautiful man. Yeah!
Yeah, I got one.
What is this?
It's a lance. I'm pretty sure it's a lance. Yeah, that is a party freaking yacht.
Yawn? Oh. I'm so sorry. Why are you coming near me like that?
I'm scared. I don't know what that sound is.
The growling?
It's like. Yeah, I can hear it too. It's like computer noises. Why did a prize just drop?
Because that's what happens when you break the. Oh, mimic!
The mimic! The mimic!
Maybe this will be a gun. It's nothing.
There's a mimic!
Get the mimic.
Yeah! Oh boy!
Get the heck out of here!
Hey!
Ah!
You're not a, you're a mimic! There's 2 of them! There's 3 of them!
I'm getting out of here! No! I'm getting out of here! I don't care! Respawn! I'm adding this to the collection. Moral of the story, y'all are bad boys.
Alright, you know what? I need like a different weapon so I can like get something. Where is the guns? I need like something better to defend myself with.
You know the guns aren't gonna help you at all.
Yeah, well, I need something better to defend myself with.
Where's Sai at? Oh.
Thanks
So,
for saving me. Appreciated it.
what do you think I was supposed to do? I'm low.
You could have pulled my ghost back into my body?
Right next to all the mimics?
First of all, the mimic was not next to me.
You're right, he was right next to me.
Yeah, which was Yeah, but remember, he was the mimic!
Alright, come on guys, let's go.
Hold on, I'm not ready!
Me neither. I don't actually have anything. Let me get a crowbar.
Yeah, I was saying, I gotta get ready, bro. And the only thing I have is
I
my
can't afford
pickaxe.
anything.
Okay, so I'm
I'm gonna
get
go
a
back in and get my
crowbar.
baton.
I'm gonna get a
Come on guys! Follow me!
and then what else?
You're silly Billy.
Wait, will a flare gun? Could a flare gun actually help me?
No.
Okay.
What is it with you and guns? You gotta realize that the guns aren't that good.
I buy the extra.
Aim to select player. Little bro, Glitch, I think you need to fix your Wi-Fi. You're really laggy.
I'm not talking or anything.
Alright guys, let's go. Guys?
Alright. I'm gonna use teleport. It could be useful, okay? It could be useful.
Not
We
if it
could
takes like
need
10
it.
seconds to actually activate.
I
see
could.
this.
Okay. Hey! Hey! Give it back! You know what?
That's a bad boy.
Put it down! Put it down on the table!
Yo, little bro, do you think I could get a frying pan?
What?
I has no money. I spent it all on glitch.
Here.
Thank you. I think glitch went to go like die. Alright guys, let's go!
Yeah.
Let's go. I see one of them. So we know not to go down there where all the mimics are, but I say we should low-key go down there.
Hey! Why you hit me? Glitch, I'm about to smack you. Bro, the mimics can't catch him, bro.
He's freaking laggy as crap.
Yeah. I want to kill him so badly. Bro. Oh, hey!
He's so laggy! Bro, your lag is insane.
I'm about to fry him.
Get him! Maybe it'll fix his leg!
Okay.
Dude, he's too laggy.
Get over here! No!
Get him!
Get him! Oh,
Yes! Yeah! Get him! No! Alright, let's go without him. Let's go make some money! Y'all coming?
I'm coming. I don't know if Glitch is coming back. Yeah. This is your captain.
I'm trying to get this purple one. I mean, the circle one. Okay, let me get that. Did I hit you?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
It's fun.
Get him! I love. Put him back in his body.
Oh no.
You know what? Everything will be back in my body.
Okay, I'm sorry. Don't hurt me. Where'd he go? He's escaping! Get him! Wait, actually, just let him die. Let's go. His mouth is open.
No, dude, trust me. Whenever you're a ghost, if you wait long enough or you exit the map, you like respawn back into this dump.
I know.
Please.
But hold on, let me cook you
Fine.
up. Let me cook you up. Let me cook you for dinner.
Let me get him. Get him!
Boy.
Alright, I'm leaving now. I'm about to die. Yo!
Save me, please.
No.
Oh my gosh, Bud, you promise you won't kill me. You
Yes.
promise you won't kill me.
Yes.
I just wanted to let you know it was just a silly little prank. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
I love killing you.
If I get hit once, I'm dead. If I get hit once, I'm dead. Oh, really? Oh, really?
I'm out of ammo. Alright, let's go.
Where'd you go, Big Monkey? I Yo, chill. Okay.
It's just a prank, bro. The spider!
Oh, what do we do? One of the most toxic chemicals.
Come on, known to man! Kill it!
Okay. What? Okay.
He's dead!
I gotta go.
No. Hey, ow!
Oh, my bad.
I'm gonna start a new recording. Chillax. Alright. Oh, I'm insanely laggy. Oh!
What happened?
There's a mimic, and I'm super laggy, so I can't do anything.
Oh, he's right there.
It's a recording glitch. You're gonna need to kill him.
Yo, what's cooking, my good looking?
Alright, I can damage him now. I can't see anything. Okay, I'm back to lag.
What the frick is he?
Oh!
What the frick?
I can't, I'm so laggy! Oh, okay, let's see. MRE packet for you?
Oh my gosh. What? Oh!
Okay. Oh, a green.
This is the space installation. This is the space. This is the space thing.
Okay, let's see if this will have an MRE packet. Oh. Oh. Okay, all I remember is that you should never walk on that. And he walked on it. Okay, he's dead.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh my gosh, bro, I need to stop doing that during videos. Yeah, the planetarium! You should shut your goofy ass. I can reach your guy. Dude, I'm so laggy. Is that Travis Scott? No! No! Cyan!
What?
I'm gonna kill you! Ah! Oh, I hit my wall. Cyan. I found a purple one! Wait, I call that round one. Hey, little bro. Little bro. I called it. I called it. I called dibs. Help.
Don't be reminded.
Wait, I have an idea. Oh! Pink broccoli!
Get over here!
Ah! Ah! Go, no!
Bro, that's great.
This is just like a Ryan. Come on, It's gonna pull me in, watch. Ah! Stop taking all the crystals! Yeah! Come on, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Oh no! Science, stop mining all of them! This'll help me! Come on! Come on! Yeah!
You made it! Oh, you're so tiny.
Ah, I can't mine it!
Do I have to mine it for you?
Yes, please. Yeah! Help! Okay. Yeah! You will die, Titan! Ah! Oh my gosh. Yeah. I can't get out! I'm gonna do it! Nothing. Yes, sir! Yeah! Alright, we should probably get going now. This video is not about the planetarium! Ah! Alright, I'll see you outside. No, no, no. Come on. Come on. Yes, I did it! I'm so Sigma! I'm better. Ow!
My bad, my bad. I grappled.
Owie. You gave me a boo-boo. The spider's right there!
Where is he?
He's right here. Oh, we can just kill him. Yeah, I did
Oh my
it!
gosh.
We just gotta hurry before the spider gets over here.
But I might hit mine the green crystal.
Yeah. No, let's get out of here.
No, I'm gonna mine it.
Let us out of here! Whoa. Okay.
I think that's sort of all of it.
No, I mean, there's a lot more cave to it.
Yeah, but we've been doing all the video. We've been exploring the caves.
Yeah, but then there's still the sewers. We'll check all the rest of the stuff in another video! Oh my god! Shut up. You